Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, do we need to learn tense to speak English fluently? Yes guys, we need to learn tense chapter. Because whatever we say, we use tense. Like I am making this video. So this is a present continuous tense. So guys, whatever we say, we use tense. So there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, whatever we do now, so these are present tense. Past tense, whatever we did, those are past tense. Whatever we will do, those are future tense. So there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. But for three tense, every tense has four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. For present tense, present indefinite, whatever we do now, these are present indefinite tense. The structure is subject plus verb plus object. Present continuous tense, whatever we are doing right now, these are present continuous tense. The structure is subject plus be verb am is are plus verb ing plus object. Present perfect tense, whatever we have done now, these are present perfect tense. The structure is subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. And present perfect continuous tense, whatever we have been doing for few minutes or few months, few seconds, or since morning, since afternoon, since night, these are present perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject plus have been or has been plus verb ing plus object, then since or for plus time. For past tense, past indefinite tense, whatever we did, those are past indefinite tense. The structure is subject plus verb 2 plus object. Past continuous tense, whatever we were doing in past, so those are past continuous tense. The structure is subject plus be verb was or were plus verb ing plus object. Now past perfect tense, there are two sentences. One sentence is past indefinite, one sentence is past perfect. So how will we understand what is past indefinite and what is past perfect? So first of all, see the structure. The structure is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object plus before plus subject plus verb 2 plus object. If we want to use here after, so the structure is like this: subject plus verb 2 plus object plus after plus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. So let's go to take some examples. I had done the work before he came. Before using, we have used this structure. If we want to use after, so we have to make the sentence like this: he came after I had done the work. Okay, so now past perfect continuous tense. In future, we had been doing any work for few minutes, months, seconds, years, and since morning, since night, since afternoon. So for those types of sentences, we use past perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject plus had been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Now the future tense, future indefinite tense. I will do any work in future. So those types of sentences are future tense. The structure is subject plus shall or will plus v1 means verb 1 plus object. Future continuous tense. In future I will be doing any work. So those types of sentences will be future continuous tense. The structure is subject plus shall be or will be plus verb ing plus object. Now future perfect tense. In future I will have done any work. Those are future tense. So the structure is subject plus shall have বা will have plus verb 3 plus object. Now future perfect continuous tense. In future I will have been doing any works for few minutes, few months, few years, and since morning, since afternoon, since night. So those types of sentences are future perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject plus shall have been or will have been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus mention the time. So these are structures for tense, and there are 3 types of tenses, and every tense has 4 parts. So today in this video we have learned the tense chapter and the tense structures and tense. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel and share the video to your other friends. So thanks for watching guys. See you again in the next videos.